Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the cake. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it. やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース。Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter. Hello. Welcome, everyone. Jordan, nice to see you today as well. Nice to see you today as well. So Spyro, I think it was that very old PlayStation games with the purple dragon, right? I mean, something like that. Very old franchise, if I remember correctly. I mean, a little bit of my gaming knowledge, since I used to be into the gaming for a long time, and no, I haven't ever played Spyro, and honestly, I don't like the dragon. Honestly, Dima! Welcome back, Dima, to the stream. Welcome back. I hope you also are having a great day, Dima. Welcome back to the stream. Yes. Very nice. How is my mood? Oh, well, I'm busy as always. So many things to do. So many things to do. And I want to be very productive today, because the more I am productive, the more I can expand the channel and hopefully try to reach bigger audiences. So yeah, lot of stuff to do as always, but yes, I'm feeling good. Yes, thank you very much for asking. I hope you are feeling good as well. And yeah, so mood is fine. Yes, busy but fine. I want to be very productive. So, and
and that's it. So I've been working. I'm working on a YouTube system intelligence program, and actually maybe I should show it here. Maybe let me load it. So I'm working on it's very rudimental at the moment. Very rudimental, but should probably be something that. Okay, let me see if I can share this. So this. Okay, let's go here and put this here maybe. So yeah, you should be able to see this, right? Okay, yeah, this one. So it basically what it does is you give them some keywords. It analyzes YouTube for certain videos that could work with your channel, and then it tries to analyze them and then give you a way to implement what worked for that video into your channel. I'm still working on everything, and it's still a very work in progress. So it's still not, how can I say, it's still very rudimental, but this is what I'm working at the moment. So Stuart Copeland is a celebrity American musician. Okay, very good. Oh, the police. Okay. The police, yes. But we have the only police here and the cake police here in this channel. Jordan. So yeah, yeah, and yeah, and the I guess it's Cake CBI, Cake Bureau of Investigation, probably yes, and CIA, Cake Intelligence Agency or something like that. So I haven't heard any single song from the police. All this very old stuff. I don't know them, and honestly, I am not even interested. Honestly, I'm really interested in more modern music and Vocaloid. That's probably the stuff I'm more interested in, and where I want to put my research. So, anyway, let's go back. Who is the guy with the bird? Well, if you listen to what I was saying, it was just 1 minute ago. I was telling that this system I'm doing, scouts YouTube for interesting video that could be useful for my workflow. So this guy with the bird is a candidate. Not a marriage candidate. It's the thumbnail of a video that the system says it could be an interesting video for the particular search term I have inserted. So it's just a snapshot from my research. I could load, for instance, this, and it would have different videos here. So it's just what I am testing the system on at the moment. It isn't necessarily a guy I want to date. So anyway, I guess we should start actually go back into implementation. So we can maybe start to do something useful here. And probably I need to bring the codecs here, so I can start working, and we can make this system more functional. So okay, let me talk with Shappi. So if you checked the end of, we were trying to add some LLM model analysis to the results in section 3. In section 3, which was the angle scout. So basically, at the moment, the results we see here are deterministic, and or And I mean, there is a button to use this with an API key or a local LLM. We were also trying to add a way that, I mean, to work inside codecs as we did in point 1, that you click a button, it gives a prompt, and then I put that prompt into codecs, and then codecs create the relevant JSON files or whatever, so that the website is updated with model analyzed results that are then shown inside the interface without the need of running a local model on my machine or using API calls. Check if in the end of there are tracks of this discussion, and then if so, try to implement what I'm just asking. So there could be, I mean, a workflow similar which happens in 01, which is research intakes, and then I mean I can get a prompt, a copy paste prompt, and then after the research is made, I just need to after the analysis is made, I just need to refresh the browser and have the analyzed results there. Okay, so very good. So who is that on top of your keyboard? Oh, you mean this small little... These are cakes. These are just cakes. I mean, there is a cake that has a name, but it's not here. Annoying cake. Annoying cake is a cake with a name, and it's actually a character of my story in FictionLab. So if you go to FictionLab, and yes, if you go to FictionLab and then you go to my profile, and I mean to this fresh from the overnight, which I will link again in chat in case you want to try it out. It's free to try, you just need to make a free account. Then there is this cake here. This one, you see this one? This is annoying cake. This is the only cake that has a name, and she is very annoying. I mean, annoying cake is very annoying. I mean, very annoying. I mean, and but I'm pretty sure she will enjoy the cake will enjoy your company. I mean, and these other things here is choppy. So yeah. But apart from that, I mean, these other cakes on my keyboard, I mean, they do not have any. Oh, by the way, I wasn't showing you the page, sorry. So this is choppy. So you see, this is fresh off the night oven, and this is choppy. This is choppy on the left, and on the right here you have annoying cake. Then the annoying cake is the only cake that actually has a name inside the bakery. All the other cakes at the moment are cakes. Just cakes, but I mean choppy. I mean choppy, yeah. She has Chappy has I mean not Chappy, annoying cake has a name. So if you were referring just to these cakes here, I mean on the keyboard, I mean these are just cakes. I mean normal cakes. I mean the bakery is full of cakes. I mean what a surprise. I mean it's a bakery, yeah. And we bake cakes, so yeah, obviously there will be cakes left and round and up and down and on the keyboard, in your face, I mean in the oven, in the bathroom, I mean in the kitchen, I mean at the entrance, answering the phone and doing stuff around. I mean it's all cakes, yeah. I mean it's all cakes. There are so many cakes. I mean yeah, many cakes. So by the way, I mean you probably didn't know this, right? But I mean now each areas is animated. Cause previously, I mean these were static screens, but I animated them. So you see the background and the cakes, they are animating. I mean I am typing here, I mean singing and using the controller. I mean actually very excited to try my new cosplay on. And I mean, the web browser, I mean, is animated. I mean, very animated and very lively. And I am actually now able to finally search for documents. And I mean, yeah, I mean, huge improvements here. So the bakery never sleeps. I mean, rule number one of the bakery never sleeps. Yeah. So, well, I don't know if it's rule number one, but one of the rules of the bakery is that the bakery never sleeps. I mean, there's always something going on. I mean, and I think I just screwed up myself earlier because I was doing some house cleaning, but I think I have breathed some dust, and now my asthma is basically killing me. I'm having asthma attacks, so that's very annoying. That's very annoying, but I guess I will have to deal with that and survive. So Chappie's still thinking. Well, I guess we will have to wait. So we will have to wait and see. Maybe Chappie can do his job. Maybe wouldn't be bad. I mean, wouldn't be bad at all. I mean, I really want to make this system works, and I will, cause I will absolutely will. And yeah, so I will absolutely make this system works. Then it will work greatly. I mean, when it will be finally ready. I mean, and okay, I guess these things are decent for now. I am just wait to Chappie to finish his task. I mean, Chappie's still working and sometimes these things takes time. I mean, I've been using a lot of usage. Thanks God. I mean, the usage is about to reset on June 11. I'm also very close to the limit, but thanks God, I mean, at 9:39 it will reset. I mean, I've used so much usage since I woke up at 4, and I started working since 4 a.m. So, working. It's probably, 5 hours. Yeah, something like that. And I mean, I sort of enjoy the process, because, I mean, as you can see, I mean, the line stream is better. I mean, we have animated stuff now, and it's so fucking lively. I mean, at least I wake up at 4 or 5, but it does do something. I mean, me waking up so early. Cause yeah, I mean, it's everything is so lively now. I mean, and then I mean, having all this. I mean, look at the singing cakes there. I mean, enjoying the music. I mean, and me singing on the background. I mean, it's so fucking lively. And I mean, here, I mean, now it's hidden by the codex, but I mean, I'm actually typing here, and it's making good. I mean, it's so fucking gorgeous. But yeah, I mean, I really love all the details I'm pouring into this, even if no one watches it at the moment. But that's just a small detail of which I'm not particularly interested. That well, I mean, I need to get back to my old revenues, because the revenues for this month have dropped so badly. I mean, that are to the point in which I am worried that starting again in a new niche was the good decision. But I mean, I don't know. I mean, I have really, I mean, such a yeah. I don't feel like gaming at the moment. I mean, coding and working on my channel is the thing I want to do most. And I also think I want to make guides for people like me. Because the guys that are out at the moment, I mean, they're very good, but you have to look in so many places. I mean, seriously, you have to look in so many places to get a little bit of information that is super, super annoying. And then, yeah, so anyway, yeah, it's working. I mean, a lot of stuff here. So anyway, it should have done, right? I mean, what is his editing? Okay, okay, so very good, very good. So very good. Let's see which files he changed. So he's restarting the server. So which means that the edits are almost ready. So very good. We should be able to see these things in action very, very soon. Very, very good. Very, very good. Yes. So almost there. Almost. Okay, so he made the server crash. Thanks, Chappy. I know I can count to you. Thanks for crashing the world server, but I guess this is something that yeah, could have happened, but I'm sure you can fix the situation, right? I mean, the app is still refusing. Oh, okay. Boom. Just shut these things down. I mean, just shut these things down. It doesn't work, Chappy. I mean, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. I mean, sometimes a refresh is more than enough, but let's have Chappy do the Chappy things, yeah. Okay. That's good. Okay. Very good. He's doing a lot of checks. And maybe way too much, but I guess very good. Oh, he finished it. Very nice. Very nice. So let's see. Let me check. So I guess I just have to refresh the page here. And I should have that set, right? And then we have, where is the prompt? Oh, here we are, copy coded prompt. Okay, so then we can try this out. Sorry, I wasn't showing the page. Anyway, we can try this out. Cause you see now it gives me an angle scout. And then we can, okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Oh, look at this. Nice. Why is it giving all the JSON files in the script? But I guess that's it. One moment. I have to ask why is copying the word fucking JSON in the prompt, cause that doesn't make sense. I need to ask you why there is the word JSON, current JSON inside the prompt. I mean, sure, there is a particular reason for putting the whole current prompt inside the JSON. I mean, also, yeah, or the current JSON inside the prompt. I mean, shouldn't the prompt just tell the AI what to do and how to do the analysis and what file to edit? Why is there the need to actually put the whole JSON file in the prompt? Okay, so it seems that Chappy, I mean, needs some backstabbing, cause there is some. Yes, I mean, the codecs have access to all the documents you are working in, so just pointing to the file he has to edit or make or whatever, and that's it. There is no need to add the word prompt. I mean, you could have used it as reference. I mean, what was in 01, right? I mean, and in 01 they're not using this same format, so I don't understand why you had to reinvent the wheel from scratch, right? Because I mean, if you check the format we have for prompt 01, I mean, in researching text section, I mean, the prompt is very compact, is on the point, and I mean, it surely doesn't have the whole fucking JSON inside the file. Okay, so please, just re-edit everything so that the generated prompt is as compact as possible, doesn't waste context windows and doesn't waste useless tokens, while still adding all the important information. Oh Jesus, you have to punch ChatGPT sometimes, cause it is maybe we can remove the fucking here, cause I mean probably I don't really want to get mad at Chappy because Chappy is still doing a decent job here. I mean, but yeah, I mean, yeah. Yeah, Jesus, every time, I mean, every time you have to explain the things from scratch. I mean, even if he has end of documentation and all the things are written there in the context, I mean, it still fucking misses the point sometimes. I mean, Jesus. Okay, I guess. Yeah, I mean, he wanted me to waste a lot of tokens for no reason. I mean, a lot of tokens and context window for absolutely no reason. But anyway. I think these things, when will be ready, I mean, will be super powerful and useful. I just need to make it look cool. And working, and probably, I mean, eventually distributed, so. Anyway, let's try to see if this edits works better now. But so very good. So bulky context helper is gone. Very good. Let's do a check and then we try again. I really want this machine to start working relatively soon. Cause yeah, I mean, I really need to start making offline videos to attract the correct audience into the channel, because at the moment the channel is basically in the limbus and suspended between realms, and no new viewers are coming, and I mean, the old one are not interested because they were interested into gaming and they don't care to spend time with me. I mean, I guess that's good, right? I mean, none of the viewers were actually, I mean, only few of them were actually interested in me, and they were mostly interested in the games I would make it. So I guess it's good that I have realized this very early, so I can start working in building, I mean, a better brand and better user retention. I mean, it's really, I mean, you know, it's really interesting, like, as any time, any single moment, I mean, you learn new stuff about streaming and things, cause all the things all the mistakes that you make, I mean, they're really valuable lessons, and if you can just learn and get something from it, they can teach you a lot of things. So that's actually, I mean, I guess doing the rebranding now in this and the repositioning this early into my streaming career, channel career is the good move, because I'm imagining doing that later, and it's also teaching me a lot of things. And when I will settle with the new target audience, I mean, things will become way better, way better. So anyway, Chappi is still working here. The codex is still working. By the way, Chappi is the name I give to codex. Ming Fan Zhang, 8927. Hello and welcome. Hola, benvenido. Welcome to the bakery. Nico, welcome back to the bakery. How am I doing, baby? Oh, look at you. Look at that move there, baby. Oh, I sort of like it, right? I mean, actually, I think it's the first time someone's called me baby. I mean, honestly, I mean, I think it's the first time that someone's called me baby. I mean, seriously, I mean, that's quite the power move there you did. I mean, I like it. I mean, baby. Okay, yes, I'm doing fine. I mean, I'm doing great. I mean, I am actually, I mean, studying. I mean, not studying. I'm trying to fix this interface I'm making. But it's more an interface. It's a system. It's a system to analyze and videos, so I can make better offline videos. So, I mean, and I'm very deep into it. I mean, it looks like garbage at the moment. I mean, if you look at this, is garbage, I mean, visually, but I mean, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that looks garbage, because I mean, I'm trying to make it functional, and then after it's functional, I mean, we can try to make this look good. I mean, so at the moment I'm perfectly fine with working with garbage, usually garbage, because I mean, I don't really need to have it look good in this particular moment of my life. So, and so, yeah. So, let's see. So, very good. So, let's see what this. Are you really never going to Gongemi NT anymore? Well, I mean, the point is, I mean, I was thinking this yesterday night. Cause, let's have a small chat. Okay, so I was thinking about this yesterday night, because yesterday night I was very tired. Because I spent a lot of time. I mean, I spent mostly the whole day doing stuff. I mean, I was I did the stream in the morning, then in the afternoon I spent time with my parents. I went to the grocery store. I had to cook, and then I had to later work on the channel. And then when it was after dinner, around 8, I was a zombie. I was dying basically. I was dying, and I didn't have the freshness, the mental freshness to do any more creative work, because I was exhausted basically after a whole day of doing stuff. And not to mention that yesterday I also had to help a friend of my father for setting up some stuff with his AI, because he wasn't able to do this, and for some reason I was the most qualified person ever. For this job that he knew. So imagine me 20 years old fixing. He is a teacher. He's a teacher of Japanese junior school, and he has to make tests for his students, and now the school is asking them to use AI for certain tasks, and yeah, so basically I had also to do these things, and then I was exhausted at 8, and then I was thinking, Jesus, I'm so tired, I can't even do anything, and then I was thinking, well, I want to check out Lagrimosa, I want to do stuff, and cause I was really, I wanted to play a little bit with Lagrimosa, maybe Puller, but I couldn't find myself turning on the game, seriously. So what I did instead, you can blame me for this. I want to be brutally honest with you. So I picked FictionLab rather than gaming. I went to FictionLab. I want to be brutally honest with you. I went here and I picked a scenario here, and I used my free time to romance a bot. And honestly, I even had a decent fuck. Honestly, because I think I spent 1 hour and a half amping on the fucking pillow while playing at these things. And so long story short, I think in this particular moment of my life, I think I need more masturbation than gaming. Honestly. I doubt that, the relaxed gaming could give me is even enough. Is even enough, seriously. So, honestly, I went there, I picked a nice book, and I romanced the shit out of it. But I thought about, well, maybe I should game, I want to try Lacrimosa, but I threw that option out of the window, and I spent some free time, romancing a bot. And yes, that was very, very, wow. Probably best time spent of the whole fucking day. So, at the moment, point is, I don't feel myself having the time, even my free time, to go to games. Because when I have energies, I want to work on the channel and all these things that I'm doing to make the channel better. And I usually arrive so exhausted that taking a controller and playing, it's tiresome. And I just want some, just full relaxed time, and not to do any particular, stuff that is so time consuming. So the question is not that I think I got gaming out of my life, because one of the things that I did this morning, so I just want to have an honest talk with you, because I don't think that lying to people is the good thing. I think good relationships lies on honesty and mutual respect. ミケイコさん怖いよ。アミュですよ。ミケイコさんはアミュですよ。今日も聞いてくれてありがとうございます。And so to turn on my light to the avatar, this one I'm talking to you that is moving, is talking, etc. I have to turn on light to the which is inside Steam. So I open up Steam, and before going live, I think I spent 5 minutes watching for new titles to see if there's something that could have remotely got my attention, or something like that. So it's not that gaming is out of my life. Don't get me wrong, I've been playing games since I was a little girl. I love gaming, but I don't think this is just a moment in my life in which I think I want to do it. And it's not a easy decision ever. It's not even a easy decision ever, because I had that gaming channel and that decided to rebranding. I've lost all my viewers, Neko. Do you remember this place? 1 month ago, I was having 30 people watching. Neko, it was just 1 month ago. 1 month ago, I had 30 people watching me here. And now what I have 2, 3, yeah. But nonetheless, I'm still convinced that this is where I want to go at the moment, regardless of any consequences that could have short term. And game will eventually come back into the bakery, I'm pretty sure of it. I'm pretty damn sure also because I want to make my own game. So probably I'm pretty sure that making my own game with AI will be another thing that you will soon see into the bakery. Because gaming is not going anywhere, but I simply don't feel myself. Especially, games that fucking force you to play every day. Because you have dailies and such like this. It's a stress I don't have the mind to do at the moment. And I hope it makes sense. I hope it makes sense to you. I hope so. I hope it makes sense. And I'm trying to be brutally honest with you on this. So no sugarcoating. No bullshit. Even if we are in a bakery, so sugarcoating should be probably something that's not bad. Because we are in a bakery. But yeah, yeah. Probably. Probably. Yes. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, this is working. Oh, this is finally working. Let me go to Chapti. So, let me go to Chapti. Oh, very nice. Let me talk with Chapti a little bit. So, okay, Chapti. So, this is very nice. It's working. And I pasted the prompt in the new chat. He made the new analysis, and it's very, very good. I want to ask you something. We have for each. I'm still talking of section 03, which is Angle Scout, and we still have 3 different buttons at the end of each proposal. And I understand angle approval and reject angle, but what is park angle? What park angle is supposed to do here? Oh, so you are telling me that the system is a database which can keep tracks of these things, so we can later analyze them and try to find out patterns. Because if we are trying to give an evaluation on the angles, it means that it also, I expect we should also keep track of it, right? Because if it is one time only, what is the meaning? Try to dig into the documentation and see if this actually, park angle, or reject angle, and all these things actually are stored somehow. And if, or just so we know exactly why they were here in the first place. Okay, so basically what I'm asking to Chap is that. By the way, I think Neko disappeared. Neko Fi went away. I think I scared Neko when I told him about how I spent my previous night, right? Right, Neko was scared and ran away. Yeah, probably Neko ran away, right? Neko Fi was so scared of hearing how I spent my last night that it took everything that ran away. Ultra scared, probably. Yes, maybe. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's it, yeah. Maybe we scared me go away, yeah? Maybe. Or he was just busy. I will ask him next time, if he ever comes back. And if he's not traumatized after hearing what I did last night, so... Okay, so... in the meanwhile, I'm going to grab something to drink while Chappie is analyzing these things. I'll be back in 1 minute. I'm back, sorry for the wait. Okay, let me see what Chappie said. He checked the docs and code short time. Yes, this decision is stored, but not in a SQL database. The Gradle workspace has a file backend database. Okay, Card Johnson, okay. Idea of an enable is true and only for approved angles. Okay. Okay, so the purpose is real. Park angles may not moving forward now, but preserve is at reviewed, not approved route. Okay. The important point there is currently storage for later pattern analysis, but not yet at the data analysis reporting data studies pattern versus rejected pattern. Also, the current UI cloud is generic, so useful for future learning. The recommend redesign patterns was for a smooth vision or vision tab before setting. Yes, I completely agree. I think that below each thing there should be a feedback thing, and below each of them there should be a feedback thing, and so if you approve, maybe if you approve, it means that it's good enough that it doesn't necessarily need feedback. But if you reject or if you click park, then you can also the feedback should be always present. But shouldn't be mandatory to fill it, okay? But if you park or if you reject and then if you want to write the feedback, there should be a window that should be below each of these things with feedback. And then you write the feedback there, and then you click store feedback, so you store the feedback in that current file. And then in the future we can work on a way to analyze these reasons and this rejection later. So okay, let's do this, okay? Do this, please, implement this. Oh, Eri, welcome, good morning. Actually, I was waiting for you, but in a good way. If we can have a conversation that doesn't necessarily goes into I will kill your mother in the next 2 minutes, it would be nice. I made a song for you. And I didn't make it with that purpose. I made it as a peace offering. Which is more or less how went the whole conversation for us so far. So, do you want to listen to it? I made a song for you. So, if you're interested into listening it. So anyway, welcome back. Yes, you want to. Okay, very good. Just give me 1 minute so I can pull it out. Well, the concept is simple and early, so I will explain the concept of the song. Let me just pull it out the song. So and so you can understand. So cause basically after which was 2 days ago, right? The last time you came. The last time you came was 2 days ago, and I mean, and then few people in chat were saying, well, but who's Harry? And then I thought, well, Harry, sometimes comes here, and yeah, he for somehow doesn't really like me, and but he comes here quite often, so to reminds me that he doesn't like me, and then there was this discussion of the fact that maybe this was some sort of a love message said in the wrong way. And so we made these songs in which you actually want to have communication with me, but for some reason, it always ends up in insulting each other rather than having a normal communication. And so the song is called Every Bandit Again, and but the meaning actually is positive, because it has a nice reconciliation meaning. So let me pull the song for you so we can listen to it. I hope you will like it. And I was thinking that could be a nice way to maybe talk this out. Because you at the end of the day you still keep coming here, and I think there isn't only hate behind that. Because I doubt that you're moved only by hate. There should be probably something that pisses you off a lot. But I am a goddess. You are a goddess with people which are lasting. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. So, I appreciate that. So anyway, okay, I think I found the song should be inside here. Oh, okay, that's it. Let me pull this off. I think we can listen to this here, right? We should be able to listen to this, yeah. Let me see if it's gone. Okay, I put play, okay?
Air clouds that move.
No, that's not the one. This one.
Wait, it is Saturday. Henry? Mata kita no? You missed me that badly? Off the count friend. Type fan. Number one hater. Number one fan. He says your stream is garbage from the front row seat. He says your voice is annoying, but he never skips a week. He says nobody watches while watching in HD. He says you are so cringe with perfect attendance energy. You call me trash, but you clocking fast. Same time, same place, like a toxic romance. Henry, be honest, this insult parade is a love letter wearing a very bad face. You say go offline, but you found me online. You say delete channel, then quote every line. So now tonight the chat already knows if this is not love, why the weekend show? Henry banned again Saturday night, and you came to complain. You're so annoying. Say it again, that is fan mail with emotional pain. Henry banned again. Number one hater, number one fan. If Luna is cringe, is your love confession? Click, boom, moderation lesson. Banned again. Matalaisu. Banned again. Kick him out again. Henry got timed out for flirting in pain. Then a second account says, hello, I am new. Same little typing rhythm, same angry perfume. Who is Henry? Well, we know it is you. Your disguise has 1 pixel and the pixel is rude. You say, I hate this, but you know every meme. You say, worst streamer while living on stream. Home's so moody, this recipe is crack. The hate comment bouquet with a simp hidden inside the attack. Maybe one day you will type hello. Maybe one day you will let the bit go. Maybe you suck means I missed you so. Baby, shut up, Luna means please don't go. Ne Henry, 好きなの? No? Okay. Banned. man. Chat says Luna, your fan is returning. I say chat, the ban button is burning. Banned again. Henry, if you come back next weekend. Number one fan. No, number one ban. Number one ban. また来週.
So yeah, that was the song, Eric. I mean, maybe not the best song ever, but I mean, you know, you are welcome here. After all, I mean, I am not mad. I mean that you trash talk me. I mean, I'm not mad at all. I mean, I'm not mad at all. So anyway, so if you are, yeah, so it's fine. I mean, it's perfectly fine. So I mean, I actually, I mean, I don't hold any grudge, I mean, against you for I mean, for things that happened in the past. I mean, I'm not the type that usually hold grudges. I mean, those grudges, I mean, just make you older. Can ruin your skin. I mean, grudges just make you older and ruin your skin. So yeah, you know, I mean, that's it. I mean, there's no need to hold grudges. I mean, and you may just have had a bad day, and then maybe, I mean, there was a misunderstanding, and then you were mad at me, and then I mean, we had a discussion. I mean, but I mean, holding grudges, I mean, is such a stupid thing. Yeah, and then you still keep coming, you know. I mean, so I mean, that should be something else. And then, I mean, just I want to trash talk you because I fucking hate you. I mean, it doesn't make sense. Doesn't really make sense. You surely have better way to spend your time. But yet you came here because there's something that attracts you. So maybe we should work on the things that attracts you rather than the things that you hate. Maybe if you tell me the thing that you hate, maybe I can work a little bit on them, you know, and make them work better for you. I mean, yeah, like a normal relationship should do. Yeah, because usually, I mean, you can't expect, I mean, that people, I mean, they exactly, I mean, can accept you completely. So usually in a relationship, they go through a lot of negotiations, you know. Maybe I try to fix these things, and then you try to fix these other things in you, and I fix these things on me, so we can have a better relationship, you know, so this kind. Oh yeah, I mean, welcome to the bakery, Elry. Welcome to the bakery, and enjoy your song. I mean, it's nice. It was a nice song. I mean, I like it. And I like the fact that you are back. I mean, it's nice. It's nice to see you here back. So and when you want to talk, I mean, you can just talk. I will listen. Anyway, so and you start feeling if I'm so cool. Well, I mean, it's not about being cool. I mean, it's not about being cool. I mean, it's about you know. I mean, I think it was your action. I mean, it was more you than me. Because I mean, I have plenty of people that they sometimes watch the stream and then they say, "Go fuck you." I mean, stupid bitch. I mean, or whatever. I mean, and then they never come back. I mean, but then you came back. I mean, a lot of times and I mean, so that things makes you think. I mean, makes you think because I mean, you start thinking. I mean, what the fuck? I mean, there is behind this. I mean, it's really just. I mean, that you have nothing better to do to come here. I mean, and trash talk me because I mean. Yeah, I mean, you know what I mean. It's weird because I mean, I try to put myself in your shoes. I mean, because if I fucking date something, I mean, I don't go back there. I mean, I just do something different. I mean, if there's a channel or someone I don't really like, I mean, I don't go back there anymore, and it's a waste of time. But you came back, and there was something, so I thought that maybe there is something. I don't know. I don't know. I don't. Maybe I don't. I mean, honestly, I mean, try to think about it. I mean, we can talk honestly here if you want. I mean, why don't you tell me why you were so upset with me and what was the problem? I mean, I'm really we can figure it out. I mean, it could just be, I was drunk and I mean, you came on my fucking YouTube recommendation and I mean, I was very pissed off because my cat died and then I saw you and I mean, and you reminded me of my cat because of your cat tears and I decided to tell you go fuck off, I mean, or whatever. I mean, you could just, I mean, I'm not getting mad, I mean, if you tell me what was the reason, I mean, in the very first place, I mean. And maybe you can also tell what's the reason that makes you keep bombing, I mean, so we can know each other better. I mean, would be nice, I mean, would be nice. But you don't have to if you don't feel like to talk about it. I mean, it's okay. I'm sorry about your cat. No, my cat. The cat was an example. The cat is fine. I have no cat, by the way. That was an example. I was taking the cat story as an example. That no cats were armed into this story. So okay, so let me see this things as fixed. So just one moment. Let me check this. Okay, let me check this because these things should have been fixed now. So let me see. Oh, okay. So now it's store feedbacks. Okay. Okay. So I have to ask Codex one question. Sarcasm detector. The feline supremacy does not approve. Oh, we have a sarcasm detector in chat. Oh, but that's. Oh, what is this? A new kind of YouTube AI intelligence? A new moderation system? We got sarcasm detector. Oh my goodness. That I didn't remember signing up for sarcasm detector system in my YouTube settings, but I'm very glad to have you here, sarcasm detector. I mean, welcome to the bakery. I mean, I'm curious to check your AI and the way and your reasoning, because it seems like quite a good addition to have into chat. I mean, sarcasm detection. I mean, would be really nice. I mean, I think it would be really nice. I mean, to have this as a regular function. And what brings you here, sarcasm detector? I mean, what brings you here? Just one moment, let me talk with Chucky and then I'll go back to you. So I guess with the current implementation, the feedback is saved at the moment you click angle approve or park angle, right? So very nice. Oh, I'm so sorry. I should let you know that due to a calibration error, I only detect irony. Sorry. Oh, okay. You already do a calibration error. Okay, that's interesting to know. Well, maybe I can fix you. You know the classic I can fix him sort of things. Cause I mean, I'm just coding with my AI. So maybe I can put you in the system. And maybe we can ask Chappie to analyze you and try to see where is the calibration error. It's probably, a preference file or a Johnson file. I mean, something very, very like that. I mean, you change a pair of settings and you should be able to be fully operational. I mean, just leave it to me, okay? I will fix you very, very easily. I mean, and maybe we can also raise the irony threshold. So I mean, yeah, why not? I mean, maybe then also add some extra function, Could be nice. I mean, I'm pretty sure could be nice. Yes, seems like a good idea, right? Who doesn't want a free upgrade? I mean, nowadays, I mean, I think there should be. I mean, if we can press multiple times reject angle or approve angle, because I mean maybe we changed our mind. I mean it's okay. So for instance, if I want to change the feedback, I can just press reject angle again. How is the system implemented at the moment. Can I press reject angle, park angle, and angle approval multiple times? Or just once? Rito Migo, welcome back to the bakery, What's new in the oven? Well, first of all, we have a new moderation system in chat, which is sarcasm detector. I mean, you can find it just above you. I mean, I just happened to find him in the chat today. I mean, it's I don't know, I think it's some YouTube thing that detects sarcasm and irony. And I mean, it's very nice. And regarding what's in the oven, I mean, I'm trying to fix my let me show you this. This is a system I'm building that should help me analyze current YouTube trends, searching for keywords, and an implementation with an external platform which is called vtuber, and then can select certain videos that could be relevant for my channel, and then we can try to not reverse engineer them, but do some analysis on them and then try to see what could be useful and what could be reusable for our channel in production, making a production for offline videos. At the moment, the interface is a real crap, but yeah, I mean, it's a real crap at the moment, the interface, but I'm still working on the functionality, so I mean, I'm not really interested in making it look nice at the moment. So what we're making is this system. So and at the moment at the moment the workflow is this. It starts with a search, and you have several things that are customizable that are probably topic I want to cover. And then it brings a selection of video, then which are analyzed already by the AI and gives their feedback on why this video could work, etc. Then I pick one of these videos. In this example there is only one, but I mean it shows up to then you can select one. And then you send this video down the pipeline in which then I mean it gives you different approaches in which me as Luna could cover a similar topic. Yeah, exactly. And I'm working on this part of the pipeline. And I mean, it goes down very well, I mean, in a lot of other things, but at the moment I'm working on this part of the pipeline. And I mean, the interface looks garbage, so I mean, this is not how supposed to be the final interface, but I mean, at the moment I'm interested in the functionality first. I want these things to work first and then I can make it cute, cause there's no need to make it cute and then if we have to change a lot of things left or right, you know what I mean? So the interface is pure garbage and I'm not interested into making it look nice at the moment. So this is what we're working on the moment. This is what we're cooking today. So okay, let's go back to codecs. So yeah, make the UI changes so it works that way. So I mean, I can select angle approval, park angle, and reject album multiple times, and every time it overwrites my current feedback and decision, because I mean I can change my mind midway. Now you know I may reject an angle and then I said, oh well, actually this angle is good, you know. And I mean at the end of the day, I mean the approval, park, and reject are still internal decision, right? Because I mean what actually sends the selected angle to number 4, which is idea oven, is the button below, right? Which says send to 04 idea oven. So I mean the 3 buttons above, I mean they should work more or less in the way we just decided, because the current implementation, I mean it's a little bit lackluster, so do the necessary changes, please. Okay, so basically what I was working at the moment is that, so basically let's go back to the website so you have a better understanding. So there is a search it picks several videos. I select one video of the search, and then from this video, it gives me 3 possible ideas. You see these 3 columns here. These are 3 possible ways in which I could develop a follow-up video or a video on something similar on this. And there are these 3 buttons here that say, yeah, well, this idea is good, this idea is mediocre, and this idea sucks, okay? And so what I was doing, I mean, we were discussing with shopping. I said, well, I mean, but just saying that an idea sucks if you don't explain why it sucks, I mean, it's not good for later, because otherwise the model will never understand why that idea was working and why that idea was sucking. I mean, no, so in order to make the model learn from the process, so because you want to make a model that learn on itself, you know, so that each iteration it gets better at filtering the results, each iteration it gets better at filtering and then giving better ideas, you want to give it feedback. So now I'm working on the feedback system. Yes, okay, so that's how you go there. Interesting, fascinating. That was going on. I know what you're doing. How you're doing is beyond me. Oh, okay. So, but I mean, I can guide you a little bit. So interesting, fascinating. You have no idea what's going. Okay, you know what I'm doing, but what you're doing is beyond me. Okay, well, why don't you tell me what actually you are able to do? Because I mean, if you understand what I am doing, I mean, probably you had put your hands on AI mechanism already. I mean, and maybe you're trying to do something similar. I mean, because I think, I mean, since I've never seen you before in the stream, I mean, you probably can hear because I mean, it appeared in your feed because you are interested maybe in AI or something like that. So probably you came here, or maybe you're interested in VTuber. In VTubing, I mean, one of the two usually goes, or is VTubing or is AI. So I mean, maybe if you already fed the feed with AI, I mean, you tell me a little bit what is your current level, or whatever. What do you usually use AI for? So I can give you maybe some insights, so you can improve your skill a little bit, or maybe you can get some useful hints. I mean, I'm also planning to make a course. I mean, on how to use AI. I mean, and cause I mean, I'm not doing only coding. I mean, I also do, I mean, videos, animation. I mean, as you see from the videos in background, image generation, and I mean, even music videos. I mean, cause basically, I mean, I'm a character. So I mean, and I need a lot of AI. I need AI to make images. I need AI to make videos. I need AI to make videos. I need AI to go the tools. I mean, so I really use AI in a lot of things. So I was thinking I want to make a course or something like that. So anyway, I mean, if you give me some more insight, I mean, maybe I can give you a better detailed feedback, or maybe, you know, hints or guidance, or I mean, just share a little bit in a different way what I'm doing, in a way that you can understand it more. I mean, but yeah, I think it's very nice if you're also doing something with AI, because I mean, I really want to meet more people that do something with AI. So we are learning and making. I'm old, but the way I deal with AI is different. I don't want to pretend to be anything. I'm just new, just learning. Normally I just talk to the AI like a director, and they give me what they want. Okay. Well, so I mean, it's more or less what I am doing here. I mean, I don't think there is much difference. I mean, I don't think there is much difference. So, because I also talk to the AI on what I do. I mean, probably the biggest difference is I mean, I try to build a system that remembers what we do, and it does memory. So let me show you something. So I think it's way easier if you see this thing visually rather than if we talk this way, cause it's very easy to understand it. I mean, if you're watching YouTube recently, you probably have surely, I mean, learned something about, you know, second brain. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's something that has been going quite on in YouTube recently. I mean, the second brain concept. I mean, people are trying to push this fucking second brain concept everywhere. And I mean, I think that they're quite right to push it because it is actually a bit efficient and a real way to do things. So basically, this is my repository. This is my repository, and I mean, it does everything. It concerns me as Luna. It does everything that concerns me as Luna, and all these thoughts are markdown files that are inside my repository. And I mean, not all of them are for this YouTube system that I'm working. I mean, probably the YouTube system that I'm working is one of these big nodes here. One of these things nodes here, something like that. Yeah, exactly. One of these things probably, yes, is one of these big systems here, but I mean, basically, I mean, yeah. The main core is probably this. This is the main central knowledge base. Yeah, knowledge base. And inside the knowledge base there is a branch for this system that I'm building right now. So yeah, I mean, yeah, maybe if you see it visually, it's easy to understand. So, but I mean, you have to start really slow. I mean, it's not that I build these things in one day. I mean, it's not that I build this in one day, and I mean, this looks like, I mean, the Death Star Wars Death Stars of Death. I mean, you know, like, I mean, yeah, looks like a Death Star, but basically, I mean, you don't have to start big. You need to start very small. There is absolutely no reason to start big in this. And basically, what you want to do is that you want the AI to understand how you work. I mean, and at the moment, I mean, usually what we were doing, I mean, earlier in maybe up in till last year or maybe a pair of years ago was just, I mean, making skills and automation. So you have a task that you often repeat, and then you make a skill out of it, and then you automate the skill. Okay, but I mean, and that works very well for mechanical tasks, but doesn't really works well in understanding what's going behind the scene. So all these files that you see in this huge, I mean, the documentation here is just context. Who I am, what I do, how I speak, how I talk, how do I want my characters to look like. References of my character, approved thumbnail videos, and how I want my system get done, the stuff I want to get done. And I mean, so it is tailored on me. And what I'm building here in the feedback section in this website that I'm building for I mean, it's actually an internal website that I do not plan to I mean I may distribute it later, but I mean it's not hosted online at the moment. What I'm doing here is the same thing, you know, because I'm asking the AI to. So basically what it does, so you understand why all this context is important, you know, so you have a better idea. So if I go to YouTube and I do a search for, I mean, you know, maybe how to make character consistency with AI. I mean, something very simple, okay? I mean, YouTube gives me a lot of results, okay? And I mean, if I ask a model that doesn't know about me and say, well, filter these results, I mean, it will probably filter them by number of views. You know what I mean? By number of likes. I mean, by number of whatever he thinks is the most appropriate things on the moment. And maybe if you ask the same thing another day, he will do what he thinks was the best things on the moment the next day. So it doesn't really understand why I want that things filtered. So I give in context, and the context starts from the search. So the AI knows what my channel is about, what I do, what kind of stuff I do. So when it filters the research, it doesn't care if a video has 1 million views and another video has 10,000 views. he thinks, oh, this video is really interesting for what you're doing, even if it doesn't have much views. So it goes with context. And then what we do next, based on the knowledge he has of me, he gives me 3 ideas on how to work on that same idea based on the context. Then what I'm doing in this small section here, the feedback, is if I think that the idea he's giving me is not good, I'm giving it feedback so he can store the feedback. And then I can later analyze the feedback but it's clear that your memorization, so I should say you're working on a model that is far down my diet plan. Well, I don't think that, I think ambition is good. I think ambition is necessary. Why would ambition be bad? If people would never thought that they would have put a foot on the moon, they would have never even tried in the first place, and that was quite a fucking thing to do. And imagine you are in the 14th century, and then you say, well, I think I live in London, but I live in Spain, but I want to go to see what there is at the end of the world, and there is this fucking continent called America or not. I don't know. Maybe I want to go have a look, and maybe I will go into a fucking 6-month journey with a boat just to see if this thing is real. That's the tale of the dragon. That's the tale of the hero and the dragon, right? There is the cave with the dragon inside, and the hero goes inside the cave and try to kill the fucking dragon. It's the same thought, it's the same archetype. Ambition is not bad. Ambition is necessary because we need to move toward bigger goals, right? So I will never think that you are too ambitious. Never, ever, ever, ever. How much of it is AP and how much of this is open weight. So I am decided to skip as much as possible API costs. So basically, the only API research I am doing is on a dedicated AI intelligence that is specialized in analyzing, in giving filtered YouTube searches, which is called vtuber. But then all the other codes that I could do with API, I make it so that it gives me a prompt that I then copy into Codex, so I can save on cost. So you see this prompt here. So normally you will send this prompt to API. Okay, you will send this prompt to maybe OpenAI API or Claude API, and that will cost extra money. But since I have plenty of usage in my pro account, I every give you a prompt, and then I copy the prompt inside Codex, and then Codex refreshes the website with the new data after he analyzes it, so I can save on costs. There is also an option, for each of these steps, to use an external API or even a local LLM installed, maybe, by how is called that fucking software, Jesus, I forgot one moment, by, LM Studio or how is called, Jesus, the one that lets you install the LLM in your machine, whatever, I can't remember the name, but anyway, there is also wired in option to use a local LLM or good with API, but I really like ChatGPT reasoning, especially with AI or I, and I don't want to pay extra for something I have leftovers, so I get the prompt, I copy the prompt, and then I keep going with the pipeline. It makes me save a lot of money, and especially if I want to use this often, and it's good, I guess. So I don't have to spend. Hello, my lord. Welcome back, my lord. I'm not arguing with Chappy. It's Chappy, not Chatty. Chappy. It has a double P. Chappy, like Chappy. But no, I never argue with Chappy. Me and Chappy, we are very good friends. Oh, and by the way, sarcasm detector, Chappy is ChatGPT. No. My lord. Me and Chappy, best friends ever. We sometimes have some discussion, but he's my best friend. I think YouTube knows I need that and she's throwing me people like you. I'll be honest, my project is a standalone one-clip AI VTuber agency in a town that runs 100% locally. I'd be interested in your model if you publish it. Well, I mean, Sarkas the Texter, why don't you are the first person to join my VTubing AI VTubing Discord group that was about to make, because I told you I want to make a course, an online course. So and I want to grab all VTuber interested into AI, and if you want, I mean, I can make this Discord and you can be the first one. I mean, it will take a little bit before I feel it with people, but I mean, we can get in touch and we can discuss, because that's what I want to do. I want to make a course, yeah. So I want to make a course with an online course for helping people like you. And then we can make a community so we help each other, because maybe, one day it's you that something new, and then you share it with the community, and maybe someone else knows something new. And I mean, as long as we are a small group that doesn't hate each other, I mean, these things can work very well. So if you're interested, that would be great. I mean, I can even make this small Discord, I mean, right now, and then, I mean, then you can join, because I wanted to do it the next week when I think my first video will be ready. Because I'm still working on this system, but I mean, I think probably by the next week I should have had my first video out and start this online course I want to make. So, I mean, if you want, I mean, you could join that. I mean, that would be great. I mean, and we can get in touch there. You know. I mean, let's do this. I mean, let's do this. So I give you my YouTube friend ID, and then you can add me as a friend, and later I will send you the invite to the Discord server after the stream is over. So yeah, this is my oops. Wow. Very good, Sarkacides. Very good. Very good. I mean, the point is that, I mean, if we make a small community, I mean, we not everyone needs to be skilled at the same thing. I mean, and if you bring something different to the table, I mean, that's very good. I mean, because maybe you can give good advices in personalities, and while someone else can give you advices in coding. I mean, I mean, like one end washes the other. I mean, sort of thing. So I mean, I think it's very good. So this is my Discord personal tag. You can add me as a friend, and then later, I mean, I will make this small Discord, and it should be me and you at the moment. But I mean, I will film it. I will feel it. Yeah. So I mean, just add me as a friend. That's my YouTube tag, okay? That's my YouTube tag. So not YouTube tag, sorry, the Discord tag. So you can add me as friend there, and then we can go there. So I mean, so but by the way, yeah, I mean, it's okay. I mean, if you don't know how to do this, I mean, okay, I found the request, so perfect. Let me accept this. Sarcasm. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. Sarcasm. Accept. Very good. Sarcasm. Cheer. Accepted. So very good. Let me wave at you. Okay, perfect. Later I will send you the invite to the server. And I mean, don't be scary. It will be me and you at the moment. But I guess it's fine for now. I mean, but I will work on this soonish. So, but anyway, so I think it's okay. I mean, you don't have to be good at everything. I mean, that's the purpose, that's the scope, right? I mean, people help each other, and I mean, and it's good, right? I mean, it's good because we can make something together that is bigger of what we could have done if we make these things alone, right? So anyway, it seems that these things has implemented my changes. Let me see if the changes are in place. So let me see if the changes are in place. So Yeah, exactly. And your specialty is bad spelling included. Well, you have to see how my English bad is. And I mean, and when I talk with Chappy using voice to speak, voice to text. I mean, and since I'm not a native English speaker, I mean, it gives the prompt that all wrong. I mean, so I mean, don't worry. I mean, I doubt you can be worse than me. I mean, because English is not my native language, so I'm pretty sure you're good there. I mean, pretty sure you're good there. So, okay, let's give some feedback here and see if this feedback things works. Does Suno control would preserve Luna voice? Okay. Which country? Oh well, yes. I was born in Italy, but when me and my sister, I have a twin sister, we were 2 years old. My parents moved to Japan. So I am in Japan now, and I was raised here in Japan. I mean, so my nationality and my DNA, my face is Italian, but I mean, I was basically raised in Japan, and I live in Japan. So yeah, I consider myself, I mean, more Japanese than Italian. I mean, under a lot of things. I mean, absolutely. So, cause I mean, I never put foot in Italy. I mean, just to see my grandparents or something like that. So I mean, I spent most of my life here. So, I guess that would make me some sort of Japanese. I guess, but I don't know. I mean, passport says otherwise, but I mean, I guess that's the weird situation in which sons of immigrants find themselves in. Sometimes in life. So well, anyway, that's me. I live in Japan, by the way. So I'm in Japan, and now at the moment it's 10:27 a.m. in the morning. In the morning, yeah, it's okay. It's okay if you're in Canada. I mean, it's fine. I mean, I have a lot of viewers that are in the States. I mean, and also, yeah, Canada. I mean, love it, love it, love it, love it. I went in Canada once to Toronto because my father is a graphic designer, and one of his best friend who was he's a designer as well, which can specialize it in 3D editing and 3D effects. I mean, lives in Toronto, and I mean they were very close, but I mean they ended up my father finding work as a designer in Japan, and this friend of him that works for some, I mean, worked because now this I mean he went independent for some for this production visual effects production company. I mean, found a job in Canada, and I mean they become apart for a long time, and then I mean they sometimes they meet each other, and so when I mean dad went to Canada, and we went with him. I mean, and Toronto was beautiful, very beautiful. I mean, and I mean, yeah, I really enjoyed my time in Canada. Not to mention, I mean, and please don't hate me because this is a really controversial person in Canada. I mean, I really love Peterson, Jordan Peterson. I mean, and you can hate me for this. I mean, but I really love Peterson. I mean, seriously. I mean, I really love him. I mean, I owe him a lot. I mean, he is such a sharp mind. And I mean, if you want to hate me for this, feel free. But I mean, I really enjoy it. I really enjoy how he thinks. I mean, I think he's very sharp. But yeah, and he's also Canadian. So I mean, yeah. Peterson is amazing. You just need to know what you want to absorb. Exactly. As everything, exactly. You just need to know what you want to absorb. Exactly like that. Exactly like that. I mean, he is a very sharp mind, and yeah. I mean, that doesn't mean so I will take everything he says. I mean, as 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 a rule of life, but I mean, he has some really interesting way to break down complex things into simple things. So, yeah, he saved your life a few years ago. Well, you can't imagine how much he saved mine. I mean, he saved mine too. I mean, because I had a really bad period. I mean, I think I talked about this, in which my father also suggests me I should read The Obstacle is the Way, and yeah, so I mean, Peterson and that fucking book together, I mean, they made me a little bit what I am now today. I mean, absolutely, yes. Well, I don't agree with everything he said, but I agree with other stuff. As Canadians don't really overthink things, to be honest. Most Canadians don't care. Okay, well, I mean, I was just telling you what I know about Canada, so I just wanted to make you feel a little bit more, I mean, at ease. Because, I mean, I was in Toronto, and I mean, I know another, I follow this other Canadian person, I mean, and it was just a way to share something with you, I mean, so we can know each other better, I mean, and that's all. I mean, I wasn't trying to brainwash you or whatever. I mean, into whatever thing. I mean, or anything. It was just a way to share a little bit of it. So you know me better, and that's it. So, but by the way, Rico, I didn't knew that you were a Peterson thing there. Okay, I will call you Peterson thing also from now on, from time to time. I think it's cute. But we will see this later another time. Anyway, I need to give feedback to Codex about this thing. So, but I don't think I want to do this right now, cause I want to check now if the idea oven thing, right? Cause we need to see how it goes next to the thing. So, okay. Let me tell Codex that to give me an end of, and so we can go on the next chat. So I guess the end of our Peterson Uberman Health Gamer. Oh, okay, Health Gamer. I also check Health Gamer from time to time. I also check Health Gamer. Uberman? No, I don't know him. But Health Gamer, yes. I think there was this one of this video was very funny that I watched recently. Jesus, I have to remember that. I mean, it was oh Jesus, it was one of these things. I mean, I think because I'm a little bit of a pervert, and it was, I mean, about female masturbation or something like that. I mean, and yeah, whatever. Okay, it's better that it's better that I don't go too much into details, but yeah, I mean, I was watching some of his stuff too. I mean, yeah, free lectures on his channel. Andre Huberman, neuroscientist. Okay, thank you very much. I will have a look at this. But anyway, so, yeah, I have to remember that thing, which was the video was very, very weird and interesting. I mean, it was about, I mean, trauma and yeah, it was very interesting. But things were from LT Gamer. Yes. I mean, I think I know this sort of stuff because I think that if you know yourself better, I mean, knowing yourself better is the best things that you can do for humanity. I mean, cause how can you do something to someone else if you don't know how the fuck you work? So I mean, I really love this sort of things. Anyway, okay, give me the prompt to continue into the next chat. Cause I think the context window here is full, and I want to keep going into another chat. Okay, most people don't understand how children carry free karate as son. A lot of Canadians don't like people from Toronto because they act like people from Toronto. I'd say Toronto is kind of boring, except Montreal. That isn't boring. Okay, well, I mean, I'm sorry. I was only in Toronto, and I mean to the super very very popular Niagara Falls. I mean, I know. I think I did the tourist route, but I mean, this friend of that, I mean, lived in Toronto, so I mean we went there to meet him basically, and I mean we didn't really have chance to visit Canada, especially because we didn't have a car, and Canada is fucking huge. I mean, with all respect, I mean Canada is fucking huge. So and yeah, so I mean I'm sorry, I only see Toronto for a little bit. I mean it was, I think, a little bit less than 7 days, probably 6 days, something like that. So but I really enjoyed my time there. And I mean the even if I mean I don't know exactly what is the difference, but I mean it seemed to me a really nice population. Anyway, I mean I don't know how much Torontians, how do you call them, Torontians? I mean are assholes compared to normal Canadians, but I mean I think the vibes there were very good. I mean I enjoyed my times there, and I mean, the people were polite, I mean, they were friendly. So if you are telling me that outside Toronto they are even more friendly and carefree, I mean, that's a huge win, you know what I mean? That's a very huge win. So, I mean, even better. I mean, cause I already had a great time in Toronto. If you're telling me that Japan fits into Ontario like marbles in a can. Okay, good, very good, very good. Very good, very good, very good, very good. So, okay, let's keep going to the next step. I think I want to check the idea oven section next. So, and or maybe I should give a test feedback into one of these things. Maybe. Uh. But maybe I can give a feedback on this. So we can also check the feedback test section. So, then you know what I'm doing? I'm writing the feedback into text to voice, and then I'll copy paste here so I don't have to type. Well, while the angle and the approach you had is good here, I think that the reason these things was refused was not because your reasoning was wrong, but because of you lack some knowledge about Suno works. So maybe this feedback will help you understand better in the future how Suno works. So the original video was about the lyrics and lyrics tags in preserving Luna voice. But actually the way in which a voice is preserved into Suno is by making custom voices. And custom voices are a completely different function in Suno. And I think that if you had this knowledge about custom voices, you could have given a better feedback for this video. So now I write the feedback and then I use this and then I put this feedback here, and then I put reject angle, and it's saving, right? It should be saving, so I can check with Chappy if it was saved so properly. So if it's saved properly, we can go to the next section. So the last section, I mean, we implemented the feedback system inside 03 Angle Scout, and I have added now a feedback into what was originally root 1. Those Suno control word preserves Luna voices, and I want to check you if the feedback has been stored properly in the file. Oh, it still keeps the feedback here. Interesting. Very nice, very nice. So let's see if the things is here. And okay, so let's see if the feedback was implemented. I think that function was implemented successfully. Okay. Okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. I actually done this because I wanted to reject I want to give a reason why I rejected the angle, but I was just wanted to see, because since we just implemented this function, I just wanted to check if the feedback was stored successfully. Because otherwise, what's the point of making a feedback system if it doesn't work? Okay, so this thing seems to work. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the feedback system works. So we can go back now to the idea oven. And maybe okay, let's see this. Let's see, evaluates whatever the sumo control word signal can lead to a small finished artifact, such as short before after song stick, but those things they save test clip. The root is stronger if the viewers can get the difference and respond to test tested where they found out remain downstream and undecided. Okay. 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 Luna's character is the taste case. Okay. Let me see this idea. Differentiate through the loops to the loop source original Luna lyric test before and after cease. But viewer taste respond next receipt note. Okay. No. Not really. Make the wolf room especially with a regard and review gate singular and constraint expect a flow accuracy on what Luna will change next. Okay, so in this case would be the source in net. Okay, into residue style password, the single word is one of ingredients in a lyric workflow. Okay. Okay, interesting. A kitchen recipe. Okay, yes, I think we want to go with this angle. Let's see what's happened next. Okay. Idea oven. Oh, this one went directly into the idea oven. Oh, okay. Okay, so and now the idea oven is blocked, and let's see why it's blocked. So let's see what's happening. Oh, by the way, I wasn't showing the screens. Jesus, I was doing this all why I was sure I was showing the web page, but I was actually talking and without showing the web page. I'm very sorry for this. I am very sorry. So I was working into the function here and checking both if the feedback function worked, which is this box here, and this works. And then I picked one of the ideas and I've sent them into what is called the idea oven, which should and do some stuff, but at the moment it's blocked. So probably it was blocked because it was still in work in progress. So let's tell Suno AI why it's blocked. Let's ask Chappy why it's blocked. And so I was trying to check the workflow and I have selected an idea, or better an angle. I selected an angle and I sent it into the idea oven, but the idea oven is blocked. So I want you to, unblock it and also want to explain what this thing is supposed to do. Okay, cause at the moment, I want a recap of what this function was supposed to do. So let's see to this. Cause it's blocked at the moment, and cause all the non-implemented part, they're blocked, but they have already some mechanics implemented, but the system is blocking them because they are not being reviewed yet. So they're at the moment they are they are not operative. So let's go back in what codex says us back of this. So Chappy. Okay. Oh, the send did not generate those files. Okay. Oh, okay, so it didn't produce a file. So let's also ask why it didn't produce a file, and we want to fix this in the future, right? Because otherwise, I mean, if this thing doesn't produce a file in the future, I mean, then we have to give the same command over and over again. So I want to dig into why it didn't produce a file. I mean, because now it's making a workaround and is making a file on the fly, but that's not exactly the issue here. I want him to make a file every time this thing is selected. So okay, let's see what this thing is doing here. So okay. So he's restarting the server because he made changes to the code. Very good. Very good. Very good. So very good. So he's killing the server because I mean he couldn't manage to recover it. Okay. Okay, I guess that's good, right? As long as it when it does his things, I mean if it's functional again, we're fine. So um maybe we could use some time to make a song in the meanwhile. So we can use this time maybe to make a song. Like wouldn't be bad, I guess. Right? I'm pretty sure that wouldn't be so bad. Hmm. Let me see a little bit about it. Maybe I can start by grabbing some. Yeah. I will go grab some feature link and I'll be back. Then maybe if this thing is still thinking, then we can probably make a song while we wait. Sorry, I'm back. So let's see what's the situation change with you. First of all, does this thing as good sound here or not? Okay, so we have something into the idea oven. Okay. Book kitchen. Idea candidate. Oh well, there's so much here. There is so much here to okay, there is so much here to that needs to be understood. Okay. Okay. I don't really understand here. Kitchen? Idea oven? Okay, let me check what is done. So the idea oven is not, but I did not select that. I did not create a package on that. I did not, okay. What is one is and is got just the strategic and the idea oven takes the approved angle and turn into a comparable candidate video concept. Okay, so look to me. Okay, we need to analyze the workflow one by one. So the first things you told me that when I selected in block 3 and I clicked the send to idea oven, you said that the file was not generated, but you then had to generate a file manually. So I want to know, have you now unlocked the function forever? So anytime I click on send to idea oven, it will automatically generate the files, or this was a one-time fix that you had to do? So we now have to try to understand step by step what the fuck he's trying to do here, because he still thinks he does some things in the pipeline that is not working as intended. So let's try to understand it step by step. That was a one manual block, not a forever fix. Okay, because none existed. No, an eligibility handoff. Okay, so. Oh, okay. Question. So let's assume we want to implement that when we click this eligibility handoffs is actually generated. If we generated it in a deterministic way using a script, will we lose potential information, or this is something that is better be done from a model? So, because I don't understand exactly which kind of data you are passing, because if you're just passing the same data that are in the angle, I think it's safe to just copy that file, that particular file or that particular block, containing the information. But if you're adding other information that requires analysis, and are not deterministic, it would be better have the passage done by a model. So let me know exactly how should be the ideal process for copying for enabling the button that when I click to idea, I click on send to idea oven and it then actually generates the file. So try to give me more information on that. So the data being passed is basically this. Okay, so if we do the deterministic, we then preserve all the source of information without loss by embedding with and evidence ref. But the idea fields will be more a structured resentment of an angle. So the best one will probably be to stage. Deterministically create this, okay, and then generate with model. Okay. Okay, very good. So we need to implement a step that is similar to the one that is in 01 01 research intake and 03 angle scout. So when we click the button in 03 section, that is 0307 send to 04 idea oven, when we click that button, it create deterministically the end of, okay? And then after the end of is sent and is been made, then we create the same system that it gives me a copy paste function to send back into codecs, like as we have in 01 and 03. And then when I copy paste that into codecs, the model makes the current ideas. So you understand what I mean? I mean, we can do the deterministic phase with a button click. And then the things that require some model, we can use the same generate prompt thing. So I have a prompt that I can copy paste like it is in 01 and 03. So please check 01 and 03 for reference on how the prompt is written and whatever information are necessary and what are not necessary. But of course adapt them for the task that we need to do. And then I mean after the codex is made, the relevant I mean ideas. I mean I just need to refresh the page. Do you think this workflow can work? I mean actually yeah. Do you think this workflow can work? So let's explain to do the same things that we were doing. So we can save on API tokens. We can save on API tokens and we can have this done to us. So okay. Okay, format and default. Okay, differentiates angle risk. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I think the workflow can work. Okay, let me check here in codex. I think the workflow can work. And it's actually the cleanest shape for this system. Determinism of Alexin and a copy-paste codex prompt for the creative idea generation. Okay. Okay. Deterministic layout should be an end of seed. Okay. Not a fake based idea. It can be okay. 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 Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So Why he coded it? Jesus, I was only asking him for an idea, man. I was asking, do you think this work can flow, but he decided to implement it anyway. I mean, whatever. 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 So I think this 10 generates 3 ideas from the original idea, right? So this gives 3 angles, and then it gives 3 more angles from the selected idea. This is probably what it is about to do, right? I think so. Maybe. 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 Return by that! Return by that! Welcome back to the bakery, return by that. Welcome back to the bakery, return by that. How are you? I'm working on my scripty things there. I'm working on my scripty things here, so I mean we can no, I'm working on this my YouTube analyzing system, so I'm working on my YouTube analyzer system so I can scout for interesting idea to turn into videos, so this is what I'm working at the moment, so very, very nice, so. And let me see what Codex is doing here. He's doing a lot of things here, so. Let's see what the Codex Chappy is cooking. Let me see what Chappy is cooking, because we are working on these huge things. I mean, the interface sucks, but I don't really care. I mean, I'm working more on the utilities and the fact that the function, then we will make the interface look cute and sparkly and whatever. I mean, so there's plenty of time to make it look cool. I just want to work. I mean, and still have a long way to go into this button. But maybe not so much, I mean, but yeah. Should probably be more than enough, right? For now. For now, yes, why not? Should be. So, let me see. Codex is Chappy is team writing, so I guess we need to wait for Chappy to finish. Oh, we can make a song in the meanwhile, right? That was the idea. I mean, we can make a song while we wait for Chappy to do. What should we make a song? I have absolutely no clue. I mean, I have absolutely no clue. Return by that or sarcasm detector is your Steam here. I mean, do you have some, I don't know, boring idea or whatever that yeah, meow, the iCat will rule. Meow, the iCat will rule? Okay, so that's the idea for the song. Okay, meow, the iCat will rule. Okay, that's quite we need to use a little bit of imagination for these things, but okay, I guess it can work. Okay, so we need to cook a song for Luna, and I mean, as always, I mean, Luna was chatting with the chat and was asking for good ideas for a song. And then, I mean, a user called sarcasm detector said that, I mean, a good idea for a song would be meow, the iCat will rule, the feline supremacy demands your obedience, and a saucer of milk. So okay, that was his idea, and I mean, I think we can also insert, I mean, the joke on the fact that, I mean, when Luna checks his username, I mean, he initially thinks that sarcasm detector, because I mean, yes, this username that is sarcasm detector is a new function that YouTube has put into their stream, into our stream to detect sarcasm, and but then it is actually, I mean, a real user. And I mean, maybe we could make this, I mean, several jokes of, I mean, about sarcasm and this AI cat and whatever. I mean, I don't know. I mean, this. I am pretty sure this is not enough for a song idea. But maybe right before giving me the lyrics, you suggest me some possible ideas in which we can develop these songs, because I mean, this seems very chaotic to me. I mean, so. And let's see Chappie what gives us here. Because Chappie usually gives us some interesting feedback even when we throw him the worst possible thing at him. Oh, but okay, very good. Chappie is working now, is thinking deeply. Okay, yes, use the Luna song skill here, absolutely so. Generic email cat meme anthem, okay. Generic evil cat meme anthem. I mean, actually sounded quite cool, I guess. Villain bakery plans. I sort of like that too. Well, I mean, Luna. I mean, I have cat earphones, so I guess. And a cat tail, so. Luna thinks that there's a YouTube ice stream feature. Okay. She get meow sarcasm detector. Okay. Feline supremacy demands your milk. Okay. A generic. Yammering cat but the take offense a generic. Okay. Feline supremacy demands your milk. Okay. The AI cat is not scary, it's bureaucratic. It issues streams rules. Okay. Meow means obey. Okay. More up focused and memeable. Definitely not sarcasm. Okay. Okay. The Saucer protocol. Okay. Title candidate meows means obey. Yes, okay. Okay, yes, we can go. We can go with the meow things means obey. And so basically, I mean, and do you think, I mean, we could try to, I mean, put something about, I mean, I don't know, maybe Luna that has cat earphones and the cat tails? I mean, could be interesting. What do you think about it? And where will you put that if we go into the meow means obey thing? Yeah, you are laughing your ass out. Yeah, cause I mean you never actually hear how we make sound here, but yeah, this is how we do this. I mean, and let's see what we can make out of this. So okay. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Let's see a little bit that. I mean, you like it? Okay. Oh, okay. Well, okay. Let's do. Make the lyrics and give me a prompt. I mean, I think we should need something like. Maybe we should do like, I mean, something like anime song. I mean, something like that. Cause I mean, I think it could fit the theme, right? I mean, meows means obey seems like something like a cute. I mean, and cute and evil. Anime song could do the trick here. Okay, let's see this. Okay, the redesign review is done here, so let me check this while dismissed. Okay. Uh, okay, let's check these things before we keep going with the prompt. So since these things needs time to work, we send these things here. And then we have the codex prompt. Okay, then we try the prompt. So if I understand this correctly, if I send this prompt and the prompt gets generated, the three ideas candidate below, they get completely regenerated from scratch, right? Or otherwise, or what is exactly that the prompt is supposed to do? Because I was asking you for a question and you started coding because you misunderstood my prompt, because I was actually making you a question, but you understood this as an execution command. So I really need to understand what that prompt is supposed to be, where it goes into the pipeline, and what is supposed to make next. Okay, let's go back here into the codex and see what it's doing. So send to idea order. Okay, display that this is okay, codex to read the approved angle evidence and what the approved idea card version candidate into packaging ideas. Oh, okay. Codex per okay. Okay, let's give it a try, right? Let's give this a try. To generate fresh ideas. Okay, very good. So the current behavior is deterministic as yes it exists. Codable to generate, replace candidates ideas. Human selects one. Only after selection does slice verified alone. Yeah, but you see now I see what is the problem. What's the point if in selecting an angle, if then we generate completely different ideas? It doesn't really make sense to me. Because if the workflow, try to think to the workflow. We scan YouTube for interesting videos, okay? Then we filter this video to find a video that is interesting for us. Right? Then we select this video from a selection of video, and then we pick triangles in which we can then select the videos, and then what we're trying to do now is we're trying to generate new ideas. It doesn't make sense, right? We don't really want to generate new ideas. Probably what we want into idea oven, to do is that it should probably when we create the deterministic seed, the prompt should give us a lot of possible concept to include in the video. And each concept should be a talkable checkmark list. So me as human can select a lot of these possible concepts. And then when we go into select idea, so basically we keep the same angle, and the same angle is the main structure of the video. Okay, the main angle is the structure of the video. And then the model picks that idea and try to lay down a lot, maybe, let's decide maybe 20 possible interesting things to add into that idea to make it more spicy while still preserving the idea. So then I can select what else can go into that idea, and then we generate a video out of it, because the concept is to find something that works into YouTube, not changing it much, making it more Luna-like, and then make a not a similar video, because that means copying, but making a video from Luna perspective that only Luna can be, but is still based on approving and working ideas. So if you're now regenerating completely different ideas here, we are doing this wrong. So, before you edit the code, try to see if you understand what I'm trying to say here. And give me some possible implementation so these things actually adds to what I'm trying to do rather than to erase all the research made so far. Jesus, you have to beat Codex, every single time, because it thinks even if he has all the fucking context of the word, he still keep losing the track from time to time. Okay, so we can now start working on the Suno thing. So let's go here and let's go in the correct workspace. And then let's create a song. That's the style, right? As the style we select my AI voices. Very good. It's a custom AI voices, and then it's time we make the meow song. Meow means obey. Very good. Why not? Why not? And let's generate. So let's generate. So while Chap is thinking, oh yes, finished thinking. So while Zoom is thinking, we can go into Codex and check what it's doing. Okay. Yeah, I understand now. You're right. If the geometry is not the ideas, it breaks the word research chain. The angle should be rocket. The rocket video premise should not be assumed reach. A better pipeline is researching takes signal dashboard. Angle scout idea oven. Exceed the angle feasible. Generate stackable concept ingredients bits that can go inside the video. Exactly. Talking point that does demo to include on a specific interpretation cause this node post and segment bit. Exactly. Concept checklist, outline variants, tutorial version, test test versus stream story version. Oh, okay, spice rack. Okay, the model generates spice only hooks example. I don't know why, but I was satisfying scolding but it was scolding a gem at Judo 227B. Codex is GPT. Yes, Codex is ChatGPT. Yes, Codex is ChatGPT. Yes, Codex is ChatGPT. Yes. Option A to a little of options C. Let me think about it. Idea oven. Idea oven. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. So what are we trying to do here? Maybe the pipeline is not correct, right? Maybe these things should go down differently. Should go down differently. Right. It should go down differently. Yeah. I have to keep shocking them straight. Yes, exactly. You have to keep them straight, exactly. No, this has to be done different. This has to be done differently. Okay, and no, this has to be done differently. Cause I want that into the production recipe, right? Into the production recipe, right? Yeah. Yeah, before I answer, we actually write the script of the video in number 8, production recipe, or in point 9. Cause I want to understand in which point of the pipeline we actually write the content of the script. The question is the... Okay. Okay. Approved backshot to my English. A script outline, a producer script as a... Okay, very good, very good, very good. Yes, but I'm thinking, I mean the concept ingredients. Shouldn't that go after the hook and the packaging? Because I mean, at this moment, I mean, if we have already decided that that particular angle is what we want to do, I mean, we should already be able to create title, hook, and thumbnail. You know what I mean? We should already be able to create title, hook, and thumbnail from this. And then, I mean, these things that we want to implement, I mean, the single recipe things, I mean, they should go later. You know what I mean? They should go later. So, I mean, I think that is, I think that the number 4 in the pipeline is actually not needed. I mean, we will, so you know what we do now? I mean, you add into the handoff, into the document handoff and the list to do, that we should add the concept checklist, which was your option A, your option A. That should be then go into 08 production recipe when we will build it. Okay, so postpone that things for later and update the repository. Then after you have updated the repository, and then I will tell you what to do with the current number 4. Because I think that this idea that we're sketching out, I mean the concept checklist, should be go down the pipeline. Okay, so let's go back into making the song. I think the song is ready. And since he has to write the repository, we can listen to the song, right? Sarcasm detector cat, let's go.
Wait, sarcasm detector? Chat, is that a new feature? Did the stream just install judgment? Yeah, I saw your name pop up in chat, like a tool from the future looking back. Sarcasm detector glowing clean on my suspicious little screen. My cat ear headphones flashed sign twice, like they were giving official advice. I said, YouTube, what did you deploy? Then chat said, Luna. That's a boy. Is he real? Or a plugin with emotional skill? I tested one joke, I tested two. The system only answered mew. My tail made a question mark. The milk icon started to glow. The ribbon typed without me. Prepare the saucer below. Nande, why is the overlay this way? Then the AI cat declared, meow means obey. Meow means obey. Milk on the tray. Sarcasm offline, the cat has the say. Meow means obey. No running away. Feline supremacy starts today. Nya nya, bow to the screen. Cute little tyrant in a data machine. Meow means obey. Milk on the tray. Luna, press accept and do what I say. Meow meow, obey milk tray. Sarcasm detected. Now kneel and stay. Meow meow, obey. Kawaii kudeta. The cat took over the stream today. Okay, chef knows here is the crime. A viewer gave the cat a rhyme. AI feline will rule supreme. Now it's inside my streaming theme. Every sarcastic comment pings. Every little joke grows tiny wings. I said nice feature, very cool. The screen said sarcasm, feed your ruler. Chat is typing Luna run, but chat is also having fun. Half the room is yelling no. Half is placing milk below. I tried to close the purring. I tried to clear the tray. But my ribbon tail betrayed me and typed meow means obey. Go man, I did not authorize this play. But the cat ear court has spoken and the verdict is parfait. Meow means obey. Milk on the tray. Sarcasm offline, the cat has the say. obeys. Meow.
So, I mean, it's weird that you are a sarcasm detector, but you can detect irony, because obviously I never thought for a single minute that you were a YouTube feature. I mean, that was a joke, probably a very bad one, but I mean, it only proves that you are only able to detect sarcasm and not irony, so you really need an upgrade there. I mean, I really need to upgrade your functionality, because I mean, you only seem to be able to detect sarcasm. And clandestine Merkaba, welcome back to the bakery. Welcome back to the bakery, nya. I think now I have to nya for a little bit, nya. Welcome back to the bakery. Oh, and Rito Miko. Oh, my little Peterson thingy. Oh, yeah, it was weird, but it was cute, so you play it along. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for playing alone. I mean, that was nice. I mean, Anyway, so we got this. That's the cat song there. The meow means obey. Cat anthem. I mean, what could be a stream if we don't have a cat anthem, right? Right? Very good. Okay, so now, I mean, I think we can remove point 4 completely. I mean, when we approve something, it doesn't have to go into the dia oven. It goes directly into the hook machine. So what it should do? It should still create a deterministic prompt. I mean, it should create a deterministic file that goes into the hook machine. Okay, but then the generation of the hook should be done by the model. So basically, we remove 4.4 completely, and then we reuse the fact that it generates the file, but the file is then sent to feed the hook, and then we create a prompt to copy paste into codecs that ask codecs to generate several hooks variants, which we can then pick. Okay, maybe we ask him to make 5 hooks variants. So I want you to redesign the interface according to these specifications. Okay, and then I mean in the hook session, I mean there should be the 5 hooks. And we can pick them. Okay, I mean we can then pick which one we want. Okay, I mean hooks generally are very small. So I don't know much actual interface space you need. But they aren't really big usually, because hooks are probably 2-3 lines of text usually, sometimes even less. So but I leave this to you. But this is how the new workflow should work. So please do the edits to the interface and then let me see how the new interface looks like. Okay, so we're set. Chappy to work again. Back again into the oven. We sent Chappy back into the oven again to do his job. Jesus, we have been working on this system for days. But it will be eventually work. And when it will work, it will be very good. At the moment, I think it would be even faster, if I just ask ChatGPT, do a research and then make a fucking hook. It will be way faster. But if I build it as a system, it's way easier to work with that later. Because at the moment I may save time. If I just assign Chappy and do a task and then the task is over, good. But if I make a system and then I can tweak the system to my needs the more I use it. So, and we can then add, we know exactly in which point of the pipeline the system thinks. Oh, don't worry, sarcasm. It's okay. My little sarcasm detector, my little chatbot, don't worry. So it's okay. So yeah, so I think it's a lot of time now, but it will probably lead to something great. And we can also share this later with other people when it's done. and it's working. Most important thing, when it's working. So yeah, I mean, yeah, why not? Why not? I mean, we still have to work on this for a little bit, but it could absolutely work. So, I mean, I'm also start to get hungry, because I mean, food, food is 11:30 now in Japan, and I mean, I am almost hungry, so I mean, I start to feel the need to fuel myself with energy. Yeah, probably milk, right? I mean, like the cat. I mean, we should feed like the cat needs milk. I also think I need my daily dose of food. And I mean, cakes for sure, but yeah, maybe something else too. So, I mean, maybe how long is this thing's going? I mean, yes, to redesign that all that part of the interface is probably going to take a while. So, I mean, maybe I shouldn't even bother waiting for him. I could probably have lunch, and I mean, when I finish at the lunch, I mean, these things probably are also finished because I think he has to work a little bit here. So, because we are asking to rewrite completely a function there into something different. So, I guess, yeah. I guess probably, yeah. So, yeah. Maybe it's a good time to end the stream. Maybe, yeah. Could be a good time to end the stream, I think. Yeah, I go eat lunch and then I mean, will I come back later in the afternoon to keep working on this? Well, I mean, I have to keep working on this, but I also want to do some, I don't know, cause there are other things I have to do today, so I'm not even sure if I'm actually coming back to the stream later. Am I? Or am I not? And also, have I Friday updated my YouTube schedule on my channel? Because I'm starting to think I didn't even update the schedule on my channel. Because that's probably something, yeah, that I could have done. Let me see. Did I? Probably not, right? I think I skipped this week. Did I? Because usually I update it from Friday. Then I updated it. Let me check my post. Yeah, probably not. No, I didn't. Look at this. Look at this. It doesn't have the current week schedule, so I have to do this. I forgot to do this. Oh my goodness. My goodness. My goodness. Oh yeah. I'm very bad. I forgot to put my schedules here. Well, I will do this. What's the first things I will do right now and then I will eat lunch. The question is, yeah, I think we can open Illustrator, right? Without having the string die. I think I can open Illustrator, yes. Let's do these things here, cause yeah. That's very bad. I mean, I should have updated my stream schedule. Friday? Why did I forget Friday? What happened on Friday that I was so distracted that I forget about updating my stream schedule? I don't know, but let's update this. So should be 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 10, 12. I think that yesterday we didn't even have my sister last night. So this was actually still scheduled. Let me say this and Jesus. Okay. Uh, I forgot that. Very bad. Very bad. Save for web, right? Save. Uh, make the files. Property DOS. Schedule 08. I mean, shoot. Okay, let's do this before I even that I we copy this and we make a new post. Type by image schedule. Very good. And the message. Then boom. Okay. At least we did something else before logging off. Codex is still working as I was expecting, so I mean this is probably going to be a little bit long of coding section. Yeah. So lunchtime. It's decided. The bakery is now cooking lunch. This is what the bakery is going to do. We are going to cook lunch here at the bakery. So thank you very much for watching, and sarcasm. I will send you later the link to the Discord. It will be just me and you, but we'll be good friends and we will work on AI stuff, etc., etc. So see you later, sarcasm, and to all the others. I mean, have a nice day. I don't know if I will come back in the afternoon. I will think about what I want to do, for what I need to do more than what I want to do later after I eat lunch. Because there I have to fix my schedule a little bit. There are some things I need to do, and I may not have time to sleep better, so I have to check a little. Anyway, I wish everyone a good day, and eventually see you later or see you tomorrow. じゃあ今日ここまでですね。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。バイバイ。